Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with this quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY. I made these candle holders for Christmas using these Dollar Tree items. If you want to see how I put it all together, just keep on watching. Now here are the items needed for this DIY. You will need some votive candle holders. I got these again, like I stated earlier, at the Dollar Tree. Absolutely gorgeous. You will also need these taller votive candle holders to use as the stems. I am also using these beautiful snowflakes from Totally Dazzled. Super cute. As well as my bling wrap from Totally Dazzled as well. In addition, I will be using my E6000 because we're dealing with glass and I want it to hold for a very long time. And for the quickness of it, I am going to be adding hot glue. You will also need your scissors. That way you are able to cut and measure your bling wrap. I already have a piece here that I have measured out. I will leave all the details in the description box for you below, so check that out for all of the items I will be using. Now I've already measured and cut my bling ribbon, so the first step will be for me to add some hot glue to the very tip of it, just like so. After which I will be adhering it to the center of the stem. And right now I'm just eyeballing it, making sure it's properly adhered. After which I will just keep adding the glue to it and take it all the way around in a circular motion until they meet. Now here I'm adding glue to every other link, and then I will just hold it kind of on an angle to make sure that I am getting it to go around as straight as possible in the very center. And after working my way around, this is what it looks like. Isn't that quick and easy, guys? Alright, let's move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is we'll be taking our votive candle holder and placing it upside down, at which point we're going to add our E6000 glue because we're working with glass here and we want to make sure that it has a lasting hold. So just going to trace the bottom of the candle holder just like so with the E6000 glue. And then to that I will be adding the hot glue in the very same motion all the way around. And then again here I am eyeballing it, taking the stem and just placing it directly in the center of it all. Now be sure to hold it in place for a few seconds until the hot glue dries, and then you carefully flip it right side up and take a look at that. Isn't that super cute? Right, and we're down to the final step. Using my beautiful Totally Dazzled Snowflake. I will leave a link for you in the description box below. That way you can check them out. So what I've done is added just a dab of E6000 glue, to which again I'm adding a little bit of hot glue. And then I am going to place it on the stem of the base. Now again, don't forget to hold it firmly in place until the hot glue dries. And there you have it, my lovely penny pinchers. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Now let's go ahead and style them. And here you are, guys. Aren't they beautiful? I've added some tea lights to them. And I've placed them in this beautiful mirror tray along with some Christmas picks. and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these beautiful candle holders. And that is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful Dollar Tree DIY. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget to hit that notification bell. That way you're the first to know when I upload a video. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, thank you guys so much. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.